ChatGPT versus Gemini. Today I'm forcing both AIs to build GTA 6 from scratch in 30 minutes, completely engine-free. So we're going to start off with ChatGPT 5. Alright, so here's a little prompt I came up with, nothing too crazy. Let's go ahead and send this and start the 30-minute timer. Okay, so it's done generating the code. We can just go ahead and copy this and paste it into the console. So let's see if it actually runs. Enter. Wait, what? In the UI in the top left, it tells us what we can do, but I just can't see anything. So I'm gonna just tell it the screen is whack. Alright, let's paste the new code and give it a run. Bro, what is this? It doesn't even look like the car is moving. Alright, well, we got some things to fix here. Whoa, what's going on? Oh my gosh, the floor is bugging out. I can't even move fast, like I'm going so slow. Also, I don't want to be a car, I want to be a player. I want to be a character. There's a lot we gotta ask it to fix. Alright, so I told it to make some tweaks. We're gonna send this. But I mean, if I'm being real, we're like 2 prompts in and we have this. That's mighty impressive, and we still have 17 minutes left. Alright, cool. So it updated the script again. Paste that into the game. Oh, wait, okay. We have first-person movement now. When I move my camera, it's all messed up. It's definitely messed up with the quaternions on this one, bro. It also fixed the floor jittering. We can jump around, we can sprint. Not bad, not bad. We got a lot to work with here. The controls are still reversed. Looking around with the camera is weird. We should also give it a Miami-styled environment because it's GTA 6 and is based in Miami. Give it more of a Miami-styled environment and add cars driving around us. That's actually a solid prompt. So let's send this. Ooh, and it's gonna think about this one. I could definitely write all this without even using AI. All right, perfect. It says it fixed everything. We'll see about that. Let's copy this code. Boom, let's see. Oh my God, okay, I can look around properly. Dude, the movement is still messed up. That's gotta be the easiest thing to fix. And I've asked it to fix it twice and it still hasn't done it. What is this over here? What am I seeing? Oh, is this supposed to be a tree? What type of tree is this? That is the most pathetic tree I've seen in my entire life. My God. Wait, there's cars too, but why is it so tiny? What's going on here? That is just cursed. Oh, and it made them all different colors, and they actually have AI, so they turn on these intersections. Bro, this is so cool. I'm really starting to see the vision here, and we still have 10 minutes left. We might actually have GTA 6 a couple months earlier. Player movement is still reversed. Make it third person. Also give the player a gun and add NPCs that we can shoot and kill. Actually, let's keep this family friendly. Eliminate. Alright, bet. Let's send this. Alright, it says it added all the features. Now, if this actually works, I will be very impressed because we did just ask it for a lot of stuff. Alright, let's see if this works. Boom. Bro, what is this? Okay, wait, shooting kind of works. For whatever reason, the movement is still messed up. If I move backwards, my game just glitches out. And now looking around is inverted as well. Let's see if we can fix this. Alright, here's the shooting. It's a little better. I can see the bullet coming from behind us. It might be coming from the camera. The palm trees still look cursed, bro. And what happened to all the NPCs? Oh my God, wait, I think I see an NPC over here. Oh my goodness, bro, he is so tiny. He's like a little baby. That's so hard to control this. Oh, here he is. Let's kill him. Oh my God, what am I doing? Shoot him. Yes, we killed him. Okay. Wait, we have 1 minute left. I'm gonna just say make the scene look better, make the NPCs hostile, and fix the trees. Bro, what? The timer's up, but it says there's 16 seconds left. Well, whatever we got here is gonna be the final game. It did say that there's a risk of the game breaking by adding all this code. Come on, ChatGPT, for the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. Okay, the game still works. All the trees look a little better. Let me go test out the NPCs though. Where are all the cars at? Oh, there's a car. Let's see if this NPC does anything to me. Bro, they literally do nothing. The cars are kind of just hallucinating. They're not even driving on the road. But all in all, this is very impressive though from ChatGPT. I'm actually so curious to see if Gemini can do a better job than this. Alright, bet. Now we are in Gemini. Go ahead and give it the same prompt I did for ChatGPT. Send this and start the 30-minute timer. Alright, let's copy this code, see if it works. Bro, what? What is this? Why did it add this right here? This is so bad. My camera is just fixed on the player, and it's just way too basic. Make it better. There we go. All right, it's done generating the script now. Paste it on in. Whoa, oh my God, we're going so fast. This is actually cool. Let's see if we can make it even better though. Instead of a car, I want to be a player. So make a player model and have cars around the map that the player can get into. Let's send it. 22 minutes remaining on the clock, and we have this masterpiece already? As of now, Gemini is on track to make a better game than ChatGPT, 100%. Let's copy this code and paste it. Oh no, it's totally messed everything up here. This is so strange. I can move around with WASD, but everything I do, it looks like I'm moving backwards. Let me try to get into this car though. Oh shoot, okay. We can get into cars though, and I can get out. That's sick though. I'ma just ask it to give the player a proper third-person movement controller. It acknowledged that it made a mistake, and he's made a major update to the script. That's what we like to see. Alrighty, let's give it a go. Alright, bet, actually fixed everything. Wow, we gotta add some more features though. We got 15 minutes left, still so much time. I'ma say make the city more expansive, add NPCs and AI cars that patrol the streets, and more detailed models. That might just be the perfect prompt right there. Oh brother, slippity-pippity, I forgot to ask to give it like a Miami theme. Alright, so it finished the script. Oh my gosh, it is massive. Alright, let's copy it, paste. Oh my goodness, okay, it added a cube for the player's head. That's a little bit more detailed. Alright, we can still get into the cars. Oh, here's a car NPC. Do they all just follow this track right here? The AI for the cars is not as advanced as ChatGPT's version. Yeah, this is definitely better than what it had, but it doesn't look like it added any NPCs, which is an issue. Alright, so I'm going to ask it to add NPCs and to make the environment look a little bit more like Miami, and we can go from there. That's a huge order, sweetie, but I'll see what I can do. Like, Gemini's got a better personality than Chat. It says it added Miami aesthetics, palm trees, NPCs, and a new AI car path. No chance. But yeah, let's copy this code. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, what is this? We got some new lighting now. I like what it did with the colors though. We can still drive around the... Oh my God, there's a beach. There's a beach with NPCs. Yo, oh my goodness. Can I go for a swim? No, I can't. Oh my gosh. Okay. We have 7 minutes and 30 seconds left. Auto limit reached. Oh no, I ran out of credits. I think I might have to upgrade here. How much does that cost? It says it's free. Bet, let's go. We got Google AI Pro now. I just want to remove the cursor from the screen, give the player a gun, and allow the player to kill NPCs. That's crazy. This is the first time I ever used Gemini in my entire life, and it's better than ChatGPT. Why hasn't anyone told me this? Alright, it's done generating the code. Let's give it a shot. Okay, first person in the car goes to third person. Oh no, this is kind of cursed now. It's all messed up here. Oh no. Okay, but let's see if we can shoot him. Boom, boom. Oh my God, I can kill him now. Yo, okay. It works, but we gotta ask it to keep the third person controller for the movement. My mistake, mommy. Hey, yo, please be fixed. Please be fixed. Oh, we're back to the third person now, but the camera, I can't move the camera around. 1 minute left, 1 minute left. This might just have to be the last iteration. We're gonna be out of time. I might be able to squeeze one more prompt in if this works. All right, copy, paste. So I can look around now, but the second I shoot, it goes into full screen and then I can't look around anymore. No. All right, we are out of time though. I can't lie, both games are actually solid. It's pretty hard to choose a clear winner because both games have their strengths. Like ChatGPT's is way more expansive, like a proper open world, and the final version had no issues with the camera, and it really felt more like a proper GTA-style game. But on the other hand, Gemini had proper driving mechanics where you could get in and out of the car and park it, which is very impressive. But the world is a lot smaller, the car NPCs weren't as good, and when it tried to add shooting, everything just kind of broke. But yeah, I can't decide on a winner for this one, so I'm gonna leave that up to you guys. Make sure to drop a comment which game you think is better, and please subscribe. I need to hit my goal by the end of the year.